HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is used to structure requests and responses over the Internet. HTTP requires data to be transferred from one point to another over the network. The transfer of resources happens using TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. In viewing this web page, TCP manages the channels between your browser and the server. In the case of an API, we are sending a HTTP request to the server and we get the result in the form of a response. The status code of the request is the most important thing to see. The status code is represented in numbers. 200 means the request was successful. 404 means the server was not found. 403 means that the request was not authorized.